Good morning. Thank you for visiting my channel, Off-Grid Living with the Bennetts. Well, here's what we got going on here. This is my generator. My generator came with a hose because I can run it with natural gas, or propane. So this hose is my hose. And I hired a guy to come in. He took the end off the hose and wired it up or plumbed it up directly. So here's the thing. I didn't get a quote. I just told him to do it. What he did is he wired it up directly. He ran the propane line over to here. He ran it to this regulator. Everything he did is all brand new. He installed this regulator, and the tanks were mine. I never got a quote. I just said do it. So this regulator, these two propane lines, was 3 propane lines. One goes to the generator, one will go inside to the propane stove, and one will go to the propane wall heater. Let's take a look. So this is the line that goes to the propane wall heater. I installed the propane wall heater myself. Let's take a look inside. Okay. There's the wall heater that I installed. He ran the propane line to it and tagged it, pressure tested it, and then also he, I got no hydro on. He also hooked up the stove, and the stove it was set up for natural gas. I had the orifices, I think it's how you say it, orifices, when I bought it. It's a brand new stove, to convert it over to propane. So I never got a quote. Here's what we've come up with. So my stove is now propane, and I've got basically an 8-foot propane line going out the wall. My wall heater is propane, and I got basically an 8-foot propane line going out the wall. It's going to my propane generator, and that line is probably about 15 feet. So here's the question. I didn't get a quote. The guy did an amazing job. Everything's tagged, certified. It's all done to industry standard. But I'm looking at it and I'm thinking to myself, he's got $1,300 worth of material. It's only a 1/2-inch gas line. And I also, of course, I paid for the doohickey on top of the 2 propane tanks to transfer the propane from one to the other. But I've got $1,300 in change for material. And on top of that, I've got 14.5 hours of labor. That's at $95 an hour. So I've got another $1,300. Now, he didn't have everything he needed to do the job, so he had to make a second trip out. And that's a 1/2 hour drive pretty much from their shop to here. So he's got 2 hours of driving time. And I think it was 76 cents a kilometer he's charging me for mileage. So when it's all over and done with, I paid somewhere around, or I'm going to pay somewhere around $2,700. As I said before, he did an excellent job. It's done to industry standard. It's a reputable company that did it. But I'm thinking, in all reality, is $2,700 extreme? It seems to me like it is. If you're a propane guy and you understand how all this stuff works, leave a comment. I'm really curious. I haven't paid it yet. I'm not really sure whether I should question the bill or whether I should just go ahead and pay it. So tell me what you think, and we'll see what happens. Anyways, have a great day, and we'll talk to you in the next video.